Seniors, eat these 3 dry fruits before bed for sharper vision and a stronger memory. Have you ever woken up in the middle of the night and wondered why your eyesight isn't as clear as it used to be, or why you keep forgetting simple things like where you left your keys? Imagine if the solution to these problems could be as simple as eating a handful of dry fruits before going to bed. Yes, you heard that right. Tonight's snack might be the key to protecting your eyes and keeping your memory sharp, even as the years go by. Stay with me, because I'm going to share 3 specific dry fruits that have been studied for their ability to improve brain power and preserve vision. By the end of this video, you'll never look at your bedtime snack the same way again. Welcome back to Fitness Tips. If you care about your health, your independence, and living your golden years to the fullest, make sure you stick around, because the dry fruits I'll share with you today are not just delicious, they're powerful allies for your brain and eyes. The surprising bedtime secret: here's something most people don't realize. What you eat before bed doesn't just affect your sleep. It affects how your brain organizes memories overnight, and how your body repairs itself. Your brain is like a computer that does its best work while you sleep, filing away information and recharging for the next day. Now imagine giving your brain the right nutrition before bedtime. That's like upgrading the software and cleaning the hard drive at the same time. The first dry fruit, walnuts, the brain-shaped wonder. Let's start with walnuts. Have you ever noticed how a walnut looks almost exactly like a human brain? Nature gives us hints, and in this case, the hint is spot on. Walnuts are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain function. As we age, the membranes around our brain cells can get weaker, which slows down communication between neurons. Walnuts strengthen those membranes, making it easier for your brain cells to talk to each other. But the magic doesn't stop there. Walnuts are also rich in antioxidants, especially vitamin E, which helps fight oxidative stress in the brain. Oxidative stress is like rust forming on metal. If left unchecked, it can slowly damage memory and cognitive abilities. Seniors who regularly eat walnuts have been found to perform better on memory tests and show sharper thinking. Now, let's connect walnuts to vision. Walnuts' omega-3s also support the health of the retina, the part of your eye responsible for turning light into images. Eating walnuts at night is almost like giving your eyes a gentle polish, making sure they stay clearer for longer. And here's something important: walnuts can even improve the quality of your sleep, thanks to their natural melatonin content. Better sleep means better memory retention. So when you eat walnuts before bed, you're actually preparing both your brain and your eyes for the night's repair work. A story to remember. Picture this: an older gentleman in his late 70s, who had always struggled to remember his grandchildren's birthdays. He started a simple nightly habit of eating just a small handful of walnuts before bed. After a few months, he noticed that not only was he recalling more details from conversations, but he also started to feel less anxious about forgetting important things. This is not a miracle cure, it's nutrition working the way it's meant to. The second dry fruit, almonds, the classic memory booster. Now, let's talk about almonds. If walnuts are the king of brain health, almonds are the queen. Almonds have been used for centuries as a natural memory enhancer. In many cultures, children were given soaked almonds before school to boost brain power, and seniors were encouraged to eat them to keep their memory sharp. Almonds are packed with riboflavin and L-carnitine, 2 compounds that actually help protect nerve cells in the brain. This means they can slow down cognitive decline and reduce the risk of conditions like Alzheimer's. They're also rich in healthy fats that keep your brain well lubricated, just like oil keeps a machine running smoothly. But here's where almonds shine for vision. They are a fantastic source of vitamin E. Vitamin E protects the eyes from free radical damage, which is a major cause of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Eating almonds before bed provides your body with this protective shield while you sleep, when repair and regeneration are most active. Almonds also release energy slowly, which means they won't spike your blood sugar at night. Stable blood sugar is critical for brain function. Sudden spikes and crashes can cause brain fog and memory issues. So, a handful of almonds at night is like giving your brain a steady supply of fuel until morning. The nighttime brain recharge. Here's something fascinating. During sleep, your brain flushes out toxins that build up throughout the day. This process is known as the glymphatic system. Think of it like the night janitor of your brain. Almonds provide the nutrients that help this system work more effectively, so when you wake up, your brain is clearer, sharper, and ready to remember more. The third dry fruit, raisins, the sweet protector. Finally, let's look at raisins. Most people think of raisins as just sweet little additions to oatmeal or cookies, but they're far more powerful than they look. Raisins are packed with natural antioxidants, especially polyphenols, which protect the brain from inflammation and oxidative stress. Chronic inflammation in the brain is a major factor behind memory loss, so eating raisins regularly can help keep your mind younger. Now, for vision. Raisins are rich in vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy eyesight. They also contain carotenoids, compounds that protect the retina and reduce the risk of night blindness. For seniors, this is especially important. Imagine being able to walk around at night without struggling to see clearly. A handful of raisins before bed can make a noticeable difference over time. Raisins also provide natural iron, which helps improve oxygen delivery to both the brain and the eyes. Better oxygen means better performance. And here's a little bonus. Raisins contain natural sugars paired with fiber, so they give you a gentle boost of energy without spiking your blood sugar. This is why they're perfect as a bedtime snack. The power of combination. Here's where it gets even more exciting. Eating walnuts, almonds, and raisins together creates a synergy. Walnuts provide omega-3s, almonds give vitamin E, and raisins supply antioxidants and iron. Together, they form a trio that supports memory, sharpens vision, and even improves the quality of your sleep. It's like a complete night repair kit, all in a small handful of dry fruits. How to eat them before bed? Now, you might be wondering, how exactly should you eat these dry fruits at night? The answer is simple. Take 3 to 4 walnuts, 5 to 6 soaked almonds, and a small handful of raisins. If you soak almonds and raisins for a few hours before eating, they're even easier to digest and their nutrients become more available. Eat them about 30 minutes before bedtime with a glass of warm water or milk. This way, your body has time to process the nutrients and put them to work while you sleep. The real-life impact. Think about this for a moment. Many seniors spend money on expensive supplements, memory pills, or eye drops. But the truth is, nature already provides what we need in the form of these dry fruits. By making this one simple habit a part of your nightly routine, you're not just eating a snack, you're investing in your future independence. Imagine being able to read, write, and recognize faces clearly well into your 80s and 90s. That's the real gift here. Common mistakes to avoid. Of course, there are a few mistakes people make with dry fruits. The first is overeating. Dry fruits are nutrient-dense, which means a small amount goes a long way. Eating too many can cause digestive discomfort or unnecessary weight gain. The second mistake is eating them salted or sugar-coated. Always choose plain, unsalted, and unsweetened dry fruits. That's how you get the full benefit without the harmful extras. A simple challenge for you. Here's my challenge for you. Starting tonight, eat this combination of walnuts, almonds, and raisins before bed for just 3 weeks. Pay attention to how your memory feels, how well you sleep, and even how your eyes adjust in dim light. I promise, you'll notice changes that may surprise you. If you do, come back to this video and share your experience in the comments. Your story might inspire someone else to start this powerful habit. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, And don't forget to subscribe to Fitness Tips for more natural ways to stay healthy and strong. Your health is in your hands, and it can start tonight with just a small handful of dry fruits. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.